This is my critical review of the I Am poem literacy strategy. So first I'd like to start off by saying that I like this strategy because I could focus on the character progression throughout a book because I did this at the end of reading the Love Simon book. So I was able to focus in on one character, which I chose Blue, and I was able to show the progression of what we learned about this character and how the author was able to portray the character. I think that I would change the strategy by having students answer at the end or throughout the poem, I will or I am going to, instead of just I am, so that they could tap into their inferential learning and make predictions about the book and think deeper into the character and what actions that they would have. I would also have my students do multiple characters because I feel like um, the characters really intertwine. I feel like if you could pick out two or three characters that you think went well together and their stories really intertwined, they could do that, and then they could maybe put them together when it says I will or I am going to. And it also just gives them more work because I feel like one I am poem is not really enough for a fourth through sixth grade. And I would use this in my classroom for individual readings, to track so that the students could track character progression, and I can see how my students have analyzed different characters in novels throughout their reading and see how engaged with the text they were or what they took away from what the author portrayed of a character.